So what are the gross profits for this business? So if you look at the gross profits, again, this is an industrial company, but you may be surprised by these numbers. So the gross profits are 52%, and the net profits are more pedestrian, let's say, for industrials at 13%. And so that's obviously a big difference. But they have excellent gross margins, and I think that that's important. And they've grown those over time, and we'll get into that because one of their acquisitions really has been helping with that. And if you look at, again, we try to look at these metrics over time. You don't want to look at it just 1 year because that may not tell the story, how the company is growing, how the company is evolving, what is management doing on the capital allocation side, which we'll get into. But if you look at the gross margins over time from 21, 22, 23, 24, you're looking at 44, then 45, then 49, then 50, now 52, almost 53%, projected to stay right around 52% for the next 2 years. That is excellent.